Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Ekro Gaming, and welcome back to another episode of R4 Ridge Racer Type 4. Okay, let us continue. We are done with Mappy. We are done with Pack Racing Club. The only two teams that are left are R.T.S. and Dig. So what we are going to do today is we are going to do R.T.S. Overloop. Racing Teams Overloop. Welcome. Let me start by making one thing clear. R.T.S. is a team for the chosen few. You were expected to win this Grand Prix as a matter of course. Our drivers must always demonstrate their ability to win the race. Now, don't dwell on it too much, son. Just do what I say and you'll be fine. What, do you have any objections? Good. Now, which manufacturer do you want to use this season? This is the only time you'll get a chance to voice your opinion. Oh, by the way, I'm Enki Gilbert, the owner and manager of this team. We're expected to uphold the honor of R.T.S. There will be no excuses, only results. Keep that in mind. Okay, so we're going to do something a little different today. Ocelotto is done, Lizard is done. All that's left is Tarazi and Oz Solo. And I prefer Oz Solo. Let's go with Oz Solo first. Based on your request, we selected Oz Solo to sponsor us for this season. This manufacturer's cars are optimized for excellent road grip. You can take corners aggressively with their cars. The new car is here and we're ready to go. The first heat is starting. Do your best. Let's do this.
We're racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go! It's showtime! Let's go!
Not today. Yeah, definitely have to, What the heck was that? What the? Wow. This is gonna take some getting used to, for sure. What? What was that? Jeez. I definitely have to change the way I drive these things. they get first, right? Okay, I wasn't paying attention. Well done. Let me congratulate you on your win. However, you are nowhere near bringing out the true potential of this machine. At this rate, you'll never get past this heat. If you're lucky, you might get to the second heat. If you want to avoid that disgrace, improve your driving during the first heat while there are still no strong competitors driving against you. Do you understand me? Show me what you're made of on the second race. An R.T.S driver will never shy away from that challenge. His text was a little different. Because if you're driving a drift car, he says something completely different. I don't remember what he says, but when you drive a drift car, that's not what he says. He says something different. At least the first half of that. He says something along the lines of, oh, your driving still needs work. Something like that. Now this, apparently with these grip cars, he's going to say, oh, you'll never bring out the true potential of this machine. Or something like that. I guess I spoiled myself with the easier teams with the grip cars. This is so dumb. Come on. Oh, finally something went my way. I do like the way this car looks. Mainly the mappy livery, but another first place. I'd like to congratulate you, but this kind of result is expected for an R.T.S driver. For us, our main concern is the quality of the race, rather than the ranking itself. As for you, you haven't graduated from relying on your instincts alone to win the race. Listen, You may have been able to squeeze by on the first heat with your instincts, but that won't work during the second heat. Think rationally about the race. You may lose your life if you rely on your instinct alone. There's a slight difference to what he's saying compared to the drift cars.
You've got a new car ready.
I decided to get a new car for the second heat. This car is set to run at maximum speed. I believe this is the best that we can do at this time. But only drivers with exceptional abilities are expected to drive this car at its maximum performance limits. In addition, I hear the other teams have upgraded their cars as well. The competition will be fierce. To accept all that lies ahead and to achieve victory. That is the way of R.T.S. If you understand me, go on. The race is about to begin. The race is about to begin.
Real racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go.
Oh, did a burnout there for some reason.
3 laps to go.
What the hell was that? I don't know how that happened. Oh shoot, I forgot that this is grip. I'm so used to driving RTS and Dig with drift cars. So fantastic. You achieved great results without bowing to pressure from your competition. Bowing? The crew is elated that their efforts on our new car paid off. The goal we seek is on a higher plane than this, but you are closer to that ideal. The final race of this heat is next. We can advance to the final GP if you win. Our search for perfection will continue there. Nothing must be allowed to get in the way of achieving our goal. Man.
Real racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go.
I guess that would make sense. These cars have a much higher... I don't know if it's torque or if it's just engine power. Because the tachometer goes up a lot faster than the other teams. That's why you've been seeing me spin my wheels slightly. Because the other teams, I don't have that issue. Are you kidding me? You have to hit the brakes there. That's so stupid.
Let's go.
I was about to try to initiate a drift, but thankfully I was able to recover. You gotta be kidding me. Let me guess, I gotta hit the brakes here too. So stupid. I shouldn't have to do that. I should be able to take that flat out. Apparently I can't do that. Okay, this is lap 2. That's good. And honestly, since this is R.T.S, having a lap to yourself is rare, so... And it's the holiday season, so... I guess I could go ahead and show this replay once it's all said and done. Actually, I don't think I needed to hit the brakes there. I think you just have to Make sure you are following the flow of the corners. You should be fine.
It's all set. Forward.
And since it is rare to have a lap to yourself with R.T.S, I'll go ahead and play the replay. See, I didn't need to hit the... Actually, maybe I should have. Yeah, actually. Now, looking at it, hitting the brakes was a good idea. Yeah, that's probably going to be few and far between, but we will see. Brightest Night, I might be able to show that replay too. Another first place. Well done. You were one step closer to the perfect race. But when you think you've reached that point, perfection slips away as if to mock you. That is the nature of perfection. In the pursuit of this goal, I have sacrificed many people in my life who are important to me. And so the final GP is up next. The chosen gather there to battle against each other for victory. There's no turning back now.
You've got a new card.
Whew.
Real racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. It's showtime. 3 laps to go.
Not today, PRC. Back off. What the hell? Whoa! Really? Seriously, he came over to my side. He definitely came over to my side. He was trying to block me. For sure. He was definitely trying to block me. Oh, I thought that was second place. What? Oh my... I'm sorry, you guys. This is a terrible run, but it's been a long time since I've driven a grip car without R.T.S. They sacrifice so much handling for the sheer fact that they go straight for power. It's so difficult to drive these cars. Yeah, sure, I might have you on a straight, but they may have me on a turn. Team Mappy reached the final GP, huh? I thought Sophie was still a child, but she's holding her own. PRC, that's a team I've never heard of. The manager is Shinji Yazaki. Yazaki? The Grim Reaper returns. What is he doing back in this Grand Prix? What is he up to now? Oh, it's you. Well done. Your performance in the final GP is superb. The crew's efforts on the car have paid off. No, it's nothing. I feel a bit tired, that's all. Do your best on the next race, but don't take any unnecessary risks. There's a good chance that I may have a lap to myself on this one.
Racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. It's go. 3 laps to go.
Oh, nice. See, with that turn, it's actually much more comfortable to do it in a grip car. Nope, that would have just slowed me down if I kept going. How did a drift car grip that corner? Interesting.
Take care of this loser.
I'm going to pass this guy before this. That's the way it should be. Oh my gosh, he's right there. How did he catch up? How did he catch up though? Two perfect wins in a row. Your driving skills are so good it almost frightens me. It may sound ludicrous, but I am really afraid. It is true that I have been searching for the perfect race. But this perfection will take all that is important away from me. I have been unable to escape this fear ever since Yazaki reappeared. There are two remaining races. I'm not ordering you to win them. Whatever you do, don't push yourself over the edge. I beg you.
Real racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. It's showtime. 3 laps to go.
Whoa, jeez. Oh, nice. I wasn't sure that would work. That works. the hell? I swear, this team is harder at the DRT, honestly. Holy shit, where did he come from? Okay, in this case, I want to watch the replay to see what the hell happened. How did he catch up so quick? Oh, I think it's because of that. I don't remember PRC being that aggressive. Three perfect races. Who do you think you are? Are you trying to tell me that you're seeking perfection? Are you trying to prove me wrong? I understand. I understand what you want to say. I now know that you won't listen to me. The final race is up next. I want to cheer you on, but I can't seem to find the right words. Leave me alone for a while.
You've got a new card. Ready?
This is the final gift from R.T.S to you. We got a new car for the final race. It's a speed demon capable of going faster than 186 miles per hour. This is it. Do your best. This is your chance to run the race your way. But no matter what, come back. Come back alive.
Real racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go! It's showtime!
How the hell is that? Yeah, I really got to account for the higher speed. What the hell? Come on, stay away from me. Get away from me. Nope. I gotta stay outside. Oh my. Mother. God. This thing is not. This thing is so unresponsive. Yep, and see, that's too soon. Oh, don't know what that was. Did I seriously just lose like 50 miles an hour just because I ran into a frickin' wall? Nope. I'm not gonna let him stay ahead of me. There we go. Sometimes I can be stubborn. Are you fucking kidding me? I swear this team is this team makes me rage a bit too much. It's cursed. Like, this team is cursed for me. It's the best looking team, but I have never had a good time with this team ever. Jeez. So aggravating.
Excellent! A picture-perfect finish by Team Solo. Everyone knew you'd leave the competition in the dust. Even I knew it was meant to be. That's right, this race was an all-or-nothing gig for you. If you didn't win the championship in the Grand Prix, your team would have lost everything.
Yeah, sorry guys, I got a little ragey on this one. I swear this team is just... It's my curse.
Celebrate your victory. A toast to the #1 speed king in the world. A toast to the spirit of Italian racing.
I thought, oh, I'm driving a grip car. It shouldn't be that bad. Oh boy, was I wrong. Oh, that's new. So if you use R.T.S. with a grip car, you get that. I'm gonna get the same one if I do a perfect run with Tarazi. You came back. I'm glad. I'm so glad. You won the entire Grand Prix and managed to achieve 4 perfect wins during the final GP for a new record. You're amazing. Ay, ay, ay. A perfect race. You answered the challenge that I was afraid to undertake. I was unable to break through that barrier. You showed me that it was possible. Thank you. I'm blessed for meeting a driver like you. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Epilogue. Oh, man. Alright, guys. That is going to conclude today's episode. I want to thank all of you guys for being here with me. And always remember, stay crunchy. Don't forget the soy sauce. And as always, thanks for watching.